And here we have the sister roses, YUI and Hina, produced by WABARA, Japan, Rose Farm KEIJI. This is Hina, and it's so elegant. It stands out so much in a bouquet. It has this pale apricot pink with brighter center, but I think the shape of the petals, how they are turning towards the outside, without being really that Kenben type, so not so sharp, but the way they twist to the outside is like a Japanese kimono's upper part. Really so similar to a kimono. And the sister YUI, very elegant colored beige with a little bit brown, a little bit apricot pink feel to it. And the YUI also has this shape of the petals. This one is not yet opened, so I hope to film it again later. YUI didn't open up too much, but the color increased towards beige-brown. Hina opened more, doesn't look that much like a Japanese kimono. It has rather a very interesting swirl at the center. In winter it is really great that they are lasting so long, and I can film them again and again to observe the changes and how they look, if they change the shape of the color. These really are adorable shaped roses, YUI and Hina. And what's fascinating is also the color of Hina. This warm, dusty pink apricot. And then the slightly brownish YUI with a touch of gray, beige. They do not have fragrance and also do not have thorns. Very much the florist rose, and best for weddings.